The Association of Foreign Relations Professionals of Nigeria, AFRPN, will hold its third annual lecture on Thursday with a focus on the security situation in West Africa, particularly Nigeria. The president of AFRPN, Ambassador Gani Lawal, revealed that the lecture will engage diplomatic professionals who will proffer practical solutions to the security crisis. Foreign Affairs correspondent Fatima Ibrahim reports.
The association's president, Ambassador Gani Lawal, said at a news briefing that this year's topic, the role of diplomacy in combating terrorism and insecurity in West Africa, was highlighted to enable participants brainstorm on ways diplomacy can be used in resolving terrorism. It disclosed that one of the ways to tackle insecurity in the country is by establishing stronger bilateral relationship with neighboring countries.
To that extent, we need to constantly grease the oil of our relationship with all these surrounding countries. If you look at the way we have been fighting the war against terrorism, there has been serious collaboration between Nigeria and the neighboring countries, particularly those people in the northwestern part of Nigeria, Chad, Niger, Cameroon. So we continue to engage them, in order to defend our territorial integrity.
Also speaking at the briefing, the Secretary General of the AFRPN, Ambassador Rilwan Mustafa, reiterated the association's mission to maintain peace and security in the nation.
If we understand ourselves very well, we do that well. As a diplomat, we do not want war. And of course, our campaign is always to advise government or whoever is there, give them the options that you don't need to, this thing will not pay anybody. Look at this banditry that is happening in Nigeria now and kidnapping. You can see the way it has disoriented our economy. People cannot go into their farm again. All these things are not good. They are not good for development. And these are one of the things that AFRPN is saddled with in making recommendations to government so that at least we can have peace and development in our country and in Africa.
The event will be attended by the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Mr. Geoffrey Onyema, former Minister of Foreign Affairs, Professor Joy Ogu, and the former High Commissioner of Nigeria to the United Kingdom, Dr. Dalhatu Tafida. Others are former Emir of Kano, His Royal Highness Lamido Sanusi, the Chief of Staff to the President, Professor Ibrahim Ganbari, all heads of diplomatic missions and other patrons of the association. Fatima Ibrahim, ASO Television News.